Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make combined bets on Ecuabet, also known as accumulator or parlay bets step by step. Let's jump right in. Step 1, open the Ecuabet website or app and log into your account. Step 2, browse through the different sports and events available. Choose at least 2 or more bets you want to combine. These can be from the same sport or different ones. Step 3, for each event, tap the odds you want to select. As you do this, they'll be automatically added to your bet slip. Step 4, once all your selections are in the bet slip, look for the option that says combined or multiple. This indicates you're creating an accumulator bet. Step 5, enter the amount you want to wager on the combined bet. The potential payout will be calculated based on the multiplied odds of all selections. Step 6, double check your picks, then tap place bet to confirm. Warning, all picks in a combined bet must win for the bet to be successful. If even one loses, the whole bet is lost. Tip, use combined bets to increase your potential winnings with a smaller stake, but keep in mind they come with higher risk. That's it. Now you know how to place a combined bet on Ecuabet. If this guide helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more fast and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.